Welcome to our journey into one of the most extreme and intriguing environments on Earth, the desert. From their formation to the incredible adaptations of life within them, deserts are a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Let's explore how these vast, arid landscapes come to be and uncover some fascinating facts about them. Deserts cover about one-third of the Earth's land surface. Contrary to popular belief, not all deserts are hot. They are defined by their aridity, receiving less than 250 millimeters, or about 10 inches of precipitation annually. This lack of moisture is what makes a desert, whether it's blistering hot or frigidly cold. There are four major types of deserts: subtropical, cold, coastal, and rain shadow. Each type has unique characteristics shaped by its environment. Subtropical deserts, like the Sahara in Africa and the Arabian Desert in the Middle East, are the most iconic. These deserts form due to high-pressure zones where dry air descends and warms, preventing cloud formation and precipitation. Cold deserts, such as the Gobi Desert in Asia and the Great Basin Desert in the United States, occur in higher latitudes. They experience cold winters and receive most of their precipitation as snow. Coastal deserts, like the Atacama in South America and the Namib in Africa, are found along coastlines. Cold ocean currents cool the air, reducing its ability to hold moisture and resulting in extremely dry conditions. Rain shadow deserts form on the leeward side of mountain ranges. The mountains block moist air, causing it to rise and cool, precipitating most of its moisture on the windward side. The dry air then descends on the leeward side, creating arid conditions. The Mojave Desert in the United States is an example of a rain shadow desert. Desert formation is a complex process influenced by various factors, including climate, geography, and atmospheric conditions. It can take millions of years for a desert to form fully. Wind and water erosion play significant roles in shaping the desert landscape, creating features like sand dunes, rock formations, and dry riverbeds. Despite their harsh conditions, deserts are teeming with life. Plants and animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. Cacti and succulents store water in their tissues, while desert animals, like the fennec fox and the kangaroo rat, have developed ways to conserve water and avoid the extreme heat. Oases, rare but vital, are lush areas within deserts where water is available from underground springs or aquifers. These green patches support diverse ecosystems and have been crucial for human survival and settlement throughout history. Humans have lived in and around deserts for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and the Bedouins adapted to desert life, developing unique cultures and survival strategies. Today, deserts continue to be home to millions of people who rely on innovative techniques for water conservation and agriculture. In recent years, deserts have become hubs for technological advancements. Solar energy farms capitalize on the abundant sunlight, providing renewable energy. Additionally, researchers study desert ecosystems to learn about climate change and sustainable living practices. Deserts are far more than barren wastelands. They are dynamic, evolving landscapes that challenge and inspire us. Understanding their formation and the life they support helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering approximately 9.2 million square kilometers. It's a vast expanse of sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and sparse vegetation. The Sahara is known for its extreme temperatures, which can soar above 50 degrees Celsius during the day and plummet to near freezing at night. The desert's landscape is dotted with oases, providing a lifeline for both human and animal inhabitants. The Gobi Desert, stretching across northern China and southern Mongolia, is a cold desert. Unlike the Sahara, the Gobi has a more varied landscape, including mountains, dunes, and steppes. Winters in the Gobi are harsh, with temperatures dropping well below freezing. Despite its cold climate, the Gobi is home to a variety of wildlife, including Bactrian camels, snow leopards, and Gobi bears. The Atacama Desert in Chile is one of the driest places on Earth. Some weather stations in the Atacama have never recorded rainfall. This extreme aridity is due to the rain-shadow effect of the Andes Mountains and the cold Humboldt Current along the coast. Despite these conditions, the Atacama supports unique plant and animal life adapted to the harsh environment. The Namib Desert in Namibia is one of the oldest deserts in the world, with some parts estimated to be around 55 million years old. The Namib is famous for its towering sand dunes, some of which are among the highest in the world. The desert is also home to a surprising amount of biodiversity, including the Welwitschia plant, which can live for thousands of years, and the Namib Desert beetle, which collects moisture from fog on its back. The Mojave Desert in the United States is a rain-shadow desert, receiving less than 13 centimeters of rain annually. It's known for its unique Joshua trees, which are a symbol of the desert. The Mojave is also home to Death Valley, the hottest place in North America, where temperatures can reach up to 56 degrees Celsius. Deserts have always been a source of fascination and inspiration for explorers, scientists, and artists. The sheer vastness and seeming emptiness of these landscapes can evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Over the centuries, deserts have inspired countless stories, artworks, and scientific discoveries. The formation of deserts is a slow and complex process. Over time, factors such as wind patterns, ocean currents, and the movement of tectonic plates contribute to the arid conditions necessary for a desert to form. For example, the formation of the Sahara Desert began around 7 million years ago due to the gradual northward shift of the African continent, which led to changes in climate and vegetation. Desertification, the process by which fertile land becomes desert, is a growing concern in many parts of the world. Human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, and unsustainable farming practices can accelerate desertification. Climate change also plays a significant role, as increasing temperatures and changing precipitation patterns can exacerbate the spread of deserts. Efforts to combat desertification include reforestation, sustainable land management practices, and the use of technology to restore degraded lands. One of the most remarkable aspects of deserts is the ability of life to adapt and thrive in such extreme conditions. Desert plants, such as cacti and succulents, have evolved to store water in their tissues, allowing them to survive long periods without rain. Many desert animals are nocturnal, avoiding the heat of the day by being active at night. Others, like the Addax antelope, can survive without drinking water for long periods, obtaining moisture from the food they eat. Deserts are also home to unique geological formations. The wave-like patterns of sand dunes are created by the wind, constantly reshaping the landscape. Desert pavements, which are flat, gravel-covered areas, form when wind removes smaller particles, leaving behind a layer of larger stones. These geological features provide valuable insights into the history of Earth's climate and the processes that shape our planet's surface. In addition to their natural beauty, deserts hold a wealth of cultural and historical significance. Many ancient trade routes, such as the Silk Road, passed through deserts, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. Today, deserts continue to be important cultural landscapes, home to indigenous peoples who have maintained traditional ways of life for generations. The study of deserts and their ecosystems is crucial for understanding the impacts of climate change and developing strategies for sustainable living. Researchers study desert flora and fauna to learn about their unique adaptations and how these can inform conservation efforts in other parts of the world. Desert ecosystems also serve as natural laboratories for studying ecological processes and the effects of environmental changes. As we continue to explore and learn about deserts, it becomes clear that these seemingly barren landscapes are full of life, history, and potential. From their formation over millions of years to the incredible adaptations of their inhabitants, deserts are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of nature. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the deserts of the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations of our planet's wonders.